Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the GiantMouse Iona here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe right over here, that's the button, and leave me a comment down below if you are wanting to express yourself about this fella right over here. So what do we have here is a nice liner lock, aluminum handled, designed by Vox and Anso for GiantMouse. Look at this. That is a pretty cool one for sure, and it is very sinuous, has some nice lines, I have to say. So I appreciate that. It is pretty cool. Aluminum handle. This guy comes with an M390 steel that is stone washed. There is no jimping going on. It's a thumb stud. Drop point, like 30% belly and straight edge up to the sharpening choil, which can actually act as a, I would say, micro finger choil. But anyways, you got a nested liner, like inset. This is like, you see, nested. It's not like a full liner, it's just like indented, let's say, on the set of scales, and the presentation scale is just aluminum. There's no actual liner except a little chunk right there. Actually, check out my maintenance video if you want to see how this guy looks on the inside. This fella is made in Italy. It's gonna be around $175 to $200. That is the ballpark. Pretty simple construction, couple standoffs. This guy is running on washers. And it's very nice. I mean, it has a very cool lines, I have to say. Feels good in the hand. Let's quickly actually check the size of this blade, because it's gonna be like 2.8 inches for the cutting edge and 4 inches for the handle. So overall it's gonna be measuring 7 inches. So it is a pretty good EDC size for this fellow. You have a wire, tip up carry only, dip carry, pocket clip, which is sticking out quite a bit, but it's reversible, so you can mount it on the other side. The blade is pretty centered, and this guy is actually looking good. The sound that this guy makes when you deploy it, it's very low, minimal, subdued. When you close it, it's pretty satisfactory clinking sound. The feel in the hand, it's okay. I got a little bit of a hot spot coming from this area over here, and I have a little bit of issue in this area over here, because you have to jam your finger like that, angled in a way to just get this guy closed. But I mean, not a huge deal. You can still manage to do that. In fact, I milled out a little bit of area right there. Let me check the weight on this guy, because it's, yeah, it has, I mean, it's not too heavy. It's actually pretty good. 3.02 ounces. This is a very nice thing for the summer. Like, toss that in your pockets, and you can't forget about that. But still, it's not gonna be like a brick in your pocket for sure. So pretty cool one, made in Italy. And if you want to know more, of course, check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.